So, with the first iOS 19 beta still a couple of months away, speculation about Apple's next major software update is already building. In January, Front Page Tech leaked details about an alleged redesign of the camera app, reportedly set for iOS 19. Host John Prosser claimed the new interface would feature a larger viewfinder, translucent menus, and redesigned buttons, resembling Vision OS, the software for Apple's Vision Pro headset. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman later reported that this design overhaul would extend beyond the camera app, bringing Vision OS-inspired transparency effects to system-wide interfaces, Apple apps, notifications, and more. Gurman described iOS 19 as the most significant design refresh since iOS 7, with similar updates expected for iPadOS 19 and macOS 16. Apple is also working on a more advanced version of Siri, originally previewed at WWDC 2024. This update, which has been delayed, will introduce features such as on-screen awareness, personal context understanding, and deeper per-app controls. During Apple's 2024 keynote, a demo showed Siri retrieving flight details and restaurant reservations for mail and messages. While some of these AI-driven features could launch with iOS 19, they are more likely to arrive later, potentially in iOS 19.4. Meanwhile, iOS 19 is expected to bring real-time translation to select AirPods models via a firmware update. According to Gurman, this feature will allow AirPods to translate speech in real time, similar to Google's Live Translate. If an English speaker hears someone speaking Spanish, their AirPods will relay the translated audio in English, while their responses will be translated and played aloud via the iPhone. Additionally, Apple's Translate app is expected to receive improvements as part of the update. Apple has also confirmed that RCS messaging with end-to-end encryption will arrive in a future iOS, iPadOS, macOS, and watchOS update, likely as part of iOS 19. This suggests Apple is adopting the RCS Universal Profile 3.0 standard, which introduces iMessage-like features. The first iOS 19 beta is expected to launch after Apple's WWDC 2025 keynote in June, with the final public release anticipated in September. So what do you guys think about the upcoming iOS 19? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.